Oh my God, this house was such a wreck when we bought it. The backyard was a once huge vacant spot. We kept finding crack pipes and little paraphernalia and stuff, and we just started from the beginning, tore it all up. And my husband's not much of a gardener, but he's getting used to it after 20 some years of me bugging him to do this, that and the other thing. But it's just a haven. Work in the city, it's just god-awful pleasure to come home and know that I have this place to rest in, to work in. I could pick weeds all day long and never get tired of it. I have 3 dogs, all fosters, all rescues, all loving the yard. Right, sweethearts? Yep, they're guarding the garden, that's their job. It got ruined a few times. We had some floods at the beginning before the promenade, and then of course Sandy just took everything right from the garage back. Yeah. So we started all over again, but it was an opportunity as well. I never quite know what it's going to look like from year to year, and that's part of the joy of it. Yeah. I'm not as organized in the garden as I am in my real life, unfortunately.
Do you even bother weeding?
I don't. I post some. I don't like dandelions. I can't explain why. They just drive me mad. But everything else, if it flowers, I let it grow for the most part. As long as it doesn't take over another healthy plant. Yeah. It's more than welcome. I love being able to listen to the seabirds and the songbirds at the same time. I don't even mind when the bloody crows drop carcasses of fish through my deck, or dead birds, or the hawks drop whatever they drop. It's just never ever a dull moment. It really is a haven. It is like having a private park. And that's the beauty of the garden club, that once a year we get to share it with other gardeners who can come through and see all the mistakes we've made.
Do you like being outside, Louise?
I love being outside.
What do you like about the outdoors?
Just about everything. The fresh air, the vitamin D from the sun, the renewal of my spirit, everything. Yeah. Where did this come from, this love of nature, love of flowers, of gardening? Was there something in your childhood, or did it develop later? My grandmother in Ireland was a great gardener. And she taught me pinching and pulling and propagating, and one thing led to another. And when you get a piece of property like this, you've got nothing better to do but experiment. So that's what I've been doing for 20 years. We live in one of the most beautiful counties in New Jersey, in the United States, Multnomah County. We are so fortunate.